Welcome to DJ Cdking Music News, live on DJ Cdking YouTube channel. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey viewers and subscribers, how y'all doing today? It's your boy DJ Cdking once again, live on the Music News, broadcasting. Today we will be talking about a man called Natty King, one of Jamaican Recordings Foundation artists, and what he's saying about reggae music in Jamaica versus dancehall. And we also have a guest live online, man called Stampede, one of the greatest producers in Jamaica. Them money about enough artists, not even have a call name. Anyways, viewers, Natty King said the Rasta artists them a ball say select and play a reggae song. So him do a dancehall song and talk about Joe. And now the Rasta artists them a say him a lead the people them astray with the Joe song. John no star differently still can't please people in and so the system set. But the man say what go on and know say at the time of music and what people are dealing with. So you don't know you have to adjust yourself with time. I saw your business go down. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to give you a preview on what Natty King have to say live on Irie FM broadcasting radio station. There you have it.
What has been happening with Natty King over this period? We haven't heard anything recent from you. Tell us what's been
happening. You know, at the time when I'm here and I'm there planning to feed because you are going now.
Yeah.
I have to step aside and go build my own studio and feed the thing because you are going now. We find out enough of them now and we come upon some rhythms and even if we sing some songs upon some rhythm man, we sing them better than the rest of them with the fun everything.
Yes.
Now I get that feature there. See? So because of a month already, never register one label. I think it's independent Georgia now.
Yes.
Never register one label. See?
Yes.
Now I have a studio now.
Yes.
I have a bar. I have to wear them something there. So I find out say, yo, I need a song now.
What?
We'll never find a song. I can't follow the same way like coming forward no go to town.
No.
You know what now? Big up Stampede.
Right.
I'm using Stampede. I said Stampede, you know, say yes. One go there, no Stampede. I promise myself now.
Right.
Stampede, I say, yo, singer, you know there's something going on. Then now there's upset in the normal way. You have something we have a boss.
Right.
So I say, what are you talking on the street? You say, singer, you have something going on. But I will say, auntie.
Oh, wrong. Yeah. This is auntie. I'm not in that music.
No, not like that.
No. Yeah.
But Stampede, you know, never did it because you know. We have to go defend back the woman them now and defend some of the man them there. Straight, I mean, them know say, oh, straight we are dealing, so you are going now. You make them know say, oh, we have a wheelie and we have a, you know what I mean? Something. So we find that song now, and to create a thing, but you are now, it's not to create nothing because I wasn't the only artist sing a song like this in the dance hall.
Yeah.
See me? Mm-hmm. So it's not going good. What do you think about it?
Yeah, but first let's play it for listeners. So you intro Joe. You intro the dancehall song.
Here comes the man called the man from the east, Natty King, well, in a different style. The one your name Joe. Just say Joe. Thank you, I want that. Roll him, Joe. Chop it no man.
I'm yellow ball and beg. When me give it to her. Out a door when the front of me car. And you go me touch pan will a star. Take me boy girl till boy want. Cause I be the girl them call Joe. Girl me want beanie pan yo. Pop up the pink bikini pan yo. And them the wheel pan yo. Because me the girl them call Joe. Girl me want beanie pan yo. Pop up the pink bikini pan yo. And them the wheel pan yo. The girl them want me. Anytime you see me them on me. Say them can't take the boy shining. Cause the boy now bed him crying. Yo me have a big bumper girl from Chilani. Face chat, she and her friend them call me. Ready to tell her a friend them a go want me. Now them get me number and a call me. But I me the girl them call Joe. Girl me a go beanie pan yo. Pop up the pink bikini pan yo. And them the wheel pan yo. Because me the girl them call Joe. Girl me want beanie pan yo. Pop up the pink bikini pan yo. And them the wheel pan yo.
Me the girl them call Joe. Oh. And that's it, viewers. I hope y'all like it. Y'all can leave a comment down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for listening. Back in studio with Mr. Stampede. Yes, Mr. Stampede. So what do you have to say now about what Natty King is saying about reggae music versus dancehall music? That they're not playing reggae music and stuff like that now. Let the viewers them hear what you have to say and your take on that.
Cdking.
Yes, my general. Wagwan. Long time I hear from the eye. Everything good though.
I'm there, man. I watch Wagwan. Man, I'm going like no one play the reggae artist song them style.
Sure.
Yeah, man, go on to watch the reggae artists. No, if I select them right, and the man must have dance and them mostly play because
yeah.
they must the reggae artists, they must to promote themselves, you know. You know, find the reggae artists in a party, I promote him song and things. So you'll find more dancehall artists. That's why it's dancehall artists I get the blind more over the reggae artists. You see me, I say?
See it there?
Yeah, man, that's why Natty King goes a boom. And I do him reggae song, the man and Sean and thing, and he must say, yo, go on. He must show him versatile.
Sure.
Yeah, man, show him class and versatile, so he must do a dancehall song for a dancehall rhythm and show him, say, yo, go and be. Him have it. And the man do the song, Joe, and me I tell you, say, be.
Yeah.
A be a Rasta artist, them come down for them, I go and wicked be. And in a day, them used to complain and say, boy, them song now get play and thing and you get me and say, Natty King say, you know what, I'm an artist to dancehall artist too, you know. I mean, you know about dancehall beat, so I'm going to go right to dancehall beat and show them say I can do it.
Real time,
and Natty
real
King
time.
support them, write up a song named Joe and step on them. Be the culture artist a ball now. So Natty King will lead the people astray. How do you lead the people astray? Music come with spice, and music art of music has spice, you know. Yeah, man, no care what I'm style from the music, no care what I sing, but everybody have different lightness for one what them I hear.
Sound fair, Mr. Stampede. Thank you very much to have you here today on the show. Time is running out on us, and we gotta go. So, we hope to have you next time again on our show. Have a blessed day. There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was the man called Stampede, you know, one of the biggest producers them in Jamaica, you see me? Yeah, man, large. Anyways, thanks for watching, and next time we'll see you again live on the music news, live on DJ Cdking broadcasting platform. Alright, and peace out and have a wonderful day. Why, Stampede say Natty King talk the talk on the buzz on Irie FM, Jamaica hottest radio station. Listen, Jano.
Thank you for watching DJ Cdking Music News live on DJ Cdking YouTube channel. Remember to like and subscribe.